Outlook's feature to automatically decline conflicting meeting invitations streamlines your scheduling by preventing double bookings. By enabling this setting, any new meeting requests that overlap with existing appointments are automatically declined, ensuring your calendar remains organized and free from conflicts. How to enable automatic decline for conflicting meetings. Open Outlook, launch the Outlook application on your computer. Access calendar options. Click on the File tab in the top left corner. Select Options from the drop-down menu. In the Outlook Options window, choose Calendar from the left-hand sidebar. Configure Automatic Accept or Decline settings. Scroll down to the Automatic Accept or Decline section. Click on the Auto Accept/Decline button. Set Preferences. In the dialog box that appears, check the box labeled Automatically Decline Meeting Requests that conflict with an existing appointment or meeting. Optionally, you can also select Automatically Accept Meeting Requests and remove canceled meetings if you want Outlook to manage your meeting requests automatically. Save changes. Click OK to apply the settings. Click OK again to exit the Outlook Options window. By following these steps, Outlook will automatically decline any incoming meeting requests that conflict with your existing calendar events, helping you maintain an organized and manageable schedule.